I did play you. I'm not showing my boobs real hard, man.
And then, in the middle of the night, I woke up and I thought, if I take a knife, I could just tidy it up a little bit. No one would notice.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet, nigga.
Why we going so fucking fast, nigga? Hell you are!
I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
Ooh, what does this button do? Please, please, do not push the button. You have no idea what it...
This guy raps like his parents jerked him. He sounds like Eric Sermon, the generic version. This whole crowd looks suspicious. It's all dudes in here, except for these bitches. So I'm a German, eh? That's okay. You look like a fucking worm with braids. These leaders are the free world rookies. Looking, how can 6 dicks be pussies? Talking about shit's Greek. Bitch, you could be a piss creek with paddles. This deep, you're still gonna sink. You're a disgrace. Yeah, they call me rabbit. This is a turtle race. You can't get with me spitting this shit, wickedy lickety shots, the spiggity spiggity split lickety. Then I'ma turn around with a great smile and walk my white ass back across 8 miles.